Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to export WAV in Audacity in 2026. WAV is a popular choice when you want high-quality audio with minimal compression, especially for editing, production, or archiving. So let's get started. First, open your Audacity project and make sure all editing is complete. Listen to the recording from start to finish and check that the volume, transitions, effects, and other changes sound correct. Save your Audacity project before exporting. This gives you an editable version that you can return to if you discover a problem with the final file. Next, open the File menu and choose the Export option. Select the option for exporting your audio as a WAV file. Choose the folder where you want the WAV file to be saved and give it a clear name. A descriptive file name can make it much easier to identify the recording later. Audacity may provide different WAV encoding or format options. If you're unsure, the standard uncompressed WAV option is usually a straightforward choice for high-quality audio. Keep in mind that WAV files can be much larger than MP3 files. This is normal because WAV generally stores audio with little or no compression. After choosing your settings, confirm the export and let Audacity process the project. The time required depends on the length of your recording and your computer. When the export finishes, open the saved WAV file and listen to it. Check the beginning, middle, and end to make sure the entire recording exported correctly. WAV can be especially useful when you plan to continue editing the audio in another program. Keeping a high-quality version can prevent unnecessary quality loss during additional processing. If the file is too large for convenient sharing, you can create a separate MP3 copy for distribution while keeping the WAV as your high-quality master. It's a good idea to keep your original project and high-quality export separately so you always have options later. And that's how to export WAV in Audacity. Finish your edits, save the project, select WAV from the export menu, choose the appropriate format, and verify the final file. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the